As you begin with this audio script that allows you to activate wealth inspired by Lord Shiva, allow yourself to feel the power and energy. Visualize Lord Shiva, Bhagwan Shiva, Sarveshwar Shiv, Mahadev, not just in front of you, but in your body, because that is where he is. And know that his stillness is our power. The truth that Shiv is our wealth. We are about to enter the sacred space of our own inner temple, that is Shiv. Find a very quiet space where you can sit with your headphones on and listen to this audio for the next 8 to 10 minutes. Relax your entire body and begin with the energy of Lord Shiv, of Mahadev. Enter into your body and see it feeling all around you. Shiv is not a deity outside of us. Shiv is a frequency alive within us. Close your eyes. Place one hand on the middle of your chest and one on your lower belly. Feel the breath move in. And as you exhale, let go of everything that doesn't belong to your truest self. Inhale truth. Exhale performance. Inhale silence. Exhale strategy. Inhale Shiv. Exhale the noise. You are now in the presence of the Cosmic Master. And you are remembering. Your wealth is not out there. It is within the stillness you are stepping into now. Allow yourself to call forth Mahadev, Shiv within you and allow him to encode these very, very powerful sacred codes of wealth inspired by him in your body. The first code that I want you to install within is this. Shiva's stillness is power. Shiva sits unmoved in meditation, in fire, in chaos. And through that, he teaches, the one who is still holds all power. Gently repeat after me. I no longer hustle for wealth. I embody it in my silence. I no longer hustle for wealth. I embody it in my silence. Visualize a blue flame glowing at your third eye. See it expanding, activating divine clarity over your money path. The next code I want you to see that is activating in your body is destruction is creation. Shiv destroys what no longer serves. In your business, what are you clinging to that needs release? Whisper to yourself, I allow the old to burn. In this ash, I plant new gold. Visualize a fire in your heart, burning away dead offers, expired strategies, money fears, past failures. I allow the old to burn. In this ash, I plant new gold. Feel the space within you being cleared. You are becoming new. Let's go to the next code. Sacred integrity. Shiv is not here to please. He is here to be the truth. And it is time we embody that. Say out loud. With Mahadev's blessings and power, I sell with soul. I lead with my raw voice. My truth is magnetic. Now imagine yourself speaking your offers from your deepest truth, not to convince, but to transmit. Feel money responding to your frequency. I sell with soul. I lead with my raw voice. My truth is magnetic. The next code is of union of action and surrender. Shiv and Shakti are the eternal dance, masculine and feminine, doing and receiving. Say out loud, I take bold action and I fully allow support. I create and I receive. I lead and I follow. Breathe into your sacral chakra, your belly. Feel the pulse of creation. You are no longer divided or split. You are a complete whole. I take bold action and I fully allow support. I create and I receive. I lead and I follow. The next code that Shiva allows us to embody is lead the misfits, build the dharma, the tribe. Shiv attracts the wild, the exiled, the edge dwellers, the outcasts. Your business is not for everyone. It's for the ones who see you. Say out loud, I no longer seek the masses. I call in my soul clients. Those who are ready for truth, find me with ease. Now visualize your soulmate clients are walking towards you, and Shiva is allowing them to come towards you, magnetized by your energy, not just your marketing. Smile because Shiva is holding their hands and getting them towards you. They are coming. I no longer seek the masses. I call in my soul clients, those who are already ready for the truth. They find me with ease. They are coming because my Shiv, my Mahadev is getting them for me. Now place both your hands gently over your chest. Take a deep breath in and say, Shiv lives within me, in my silence, in my clarity, in my sacred business, in the money I receive with devotion. Allow this image to rise. You are sitting just like Lord Shiv, Mahadev, on a mountain of your own devotion. The world around you swirls with noise, but you remain clear, calm, magnetic. Wealth flows to you not because you chase it, but because you become the mountain. You become Shiv. You are one with the silence, with the presence, and the magnetism that draws everyone into him, into you. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Along with this audio, you will also see that I have shared some journal prompts that you can practice to strengthen and embody Mahadev's energy in your business, in your money reality. Do them and let me know how it went for you. Anek Dhanyavad. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.